Hi again guys, and welcome back to the second episode of my Jetta restoration project. Last episode you showed lots of pictures from my chassis work, and today I will also show you chassis work slideshow. But before you start showing pictures, I just want to tell you just a little bit about the plan. The car is a Jetta Syncro 91 model, and it's quite a rare car. Not many Jettas were delivered with four-wheel drive, but still, it's not special enough that I want to keep it original. When I first bought it, I wanted, Audi TT dashboard, I wanted neon lights under, I actually installed Corrado Angel Eyes. I'm past that now. So today I wanted to look quite original with some unique things about it that will make it mine. Then I totally fell in love with the VR6 engine lots of years back, so of course it's going to have a VR6 engine and a turbocharger on top of it. So the plan is to make kind of a sleeper, and I'm going to show you some pictures today as well. First off, I just want to show you a trailing arm I just got back, which has been, I've sandblasted it myself and then sent it to powder coating, and I have lots of those parts now, and I'm looking forward to show you that later. But now, a slideshow.